Joint student, today we are going to discuss the merit and demerit of the joint stock company. The first, limited liabilities. The first merit of the joint stock company is limited liabilities. The liabilities of member of the company is limited to the extent of their share capital contribution in the company. The limited liability attract many people invest their money in company from of business, and in case of loss, creditor cannot have claim over the personal property of the member. Next, transfer of interest. The share of the company can be easily bought and sold in the market. If the owner of a share is needed of cash, he can easily sell the share and get cash. This transferability of share bring liquidity of investment. At any time of share investment can be converted into a cash. The same amount can be used to buy the share of other companies. Third point, perpetual existence. The company from form of a business enjoy perpetual succession as it has a separate existence. It is a formed by a law and can end by the legal procedure winding up only. And the death and insolvency or incapacity of any member does not affect the existence of a company. Next, growth and expenses. In a company form of business, there is more scope of a growth and expenses. The company has larger financial resources, and the rate of profit is also, they can easily use large amount of accurate retained profit expansion and growth. The next, efficient management. Company from business can use funds in the disposal. It can be effort to hire professional expert to perform the marginal and other activities of organization. The experts have the specialized people improve the efficiency and working of the company. Next point, large amount of capital. The biggest advantage of the company form of business is that the collect large amount of capital by issuing a share of capital to general public. The company have the saving can also buy the share of a company because the value of share is very small. Apart from the share capital, company can collect fund from the raising loan from the financial institution and issue of debenture and other security also. Next, demerits and disadvantage of the company. The complexity in the formation. The formation of a company involve the lengthy and the complex procedure. Many legal formality have to be completed and many documents have to be prepared and submitted. Various permission have to be obtained to perform these activities. And hire who charge high fees. Then, lack of scarcity. As a company act 1956, the company is required to be provide the information to the office of the registrar of the company. Such information is available general public also, so it is difficult to maintain the company about the operation of the company. Next, in personal work of environment. Company is not merged by the owner, but it is managed by the professional manager, and these manager get salary from their service, so there is no direct relation between the effect and the reward. The increase of the company profit will not increase the income of the manager. Numerous regulation. The company form business have to complete with various legal formality at different stage, and these penalties if a company is failed to meet any of the formalities. Delay in decision. In company organization, all the important decisions are taken in the board meeting or after consulting various person, and once the decision are taken, there have been to communicate to everyone. Each again lengthy procedure, large number of people are working company in different level. Then, oligarchic management. All we said that this democratic setup of company form of business, but in a democratic setup exists only one paper. In real practice, company is in hand or control few peoples, that is the director. Next, complete in interest. In company, various group of people are involved, such as shareholder, debentures, employee. Each group have different interest. For example, debenture have their rate of interest to increase, where the shareholder to reduce the, so it left over on the income is more. Thank you.